Hey, what is up, everyone? This is 10th July 2023, and as you can see here, we have booked almost 52,371 rupees in the market in the first 2 hours. And also, this is how our orders looks like. So we were trading in 1800 quantities, and also this is a pure price action trade. And if you would like to see how the trade went, you can jump right into the video to understand how price action works and how my trade went. So yeah, thanks for watching the video. And also, I'd like to say that we are not SEBI registered analysts, and all the videos in this channel are for educational purposes. So jump right into the video. Good morning. What is up, everyone? This is 10th July 2022, and it's 10:20 a.m. in the morning. As you can see here, market has opened around 44,960, and from there it tried moving to 44,883, and from there it made a massive upward movement till 45,179, and now it's trading around 45,050 range. This low is broken, and if it is sustained and if 45,038 is broken, then we will see a further downward movement towards 45,000, and then 44,960, and then 44,883. So we'll have to wait for some time to get the confirmation, as we will look into the OI as well. I feel this is going to go down. So yeah, we'll just look into the OI and see what is going to happen. Right, so looking here, we can see that 45,100 has good put OI buildup, but in the last 10 minutes, what we can see here is call has been built in both 45,000 and 45,100. So we can expect a further downward movement in Banknifty in the next 15 to 20 minutes. So even looking at last 30 minutes also, we can see that 45,100 has taken over. I mean, call has taken over in 45,100. So we'll wait for some time. We'll look into all our criterias, and we'll get into the trade is what I believe is the best option. So we'll just see if Banknifty crosses below 45,000, and then we'll plan our trade accordingly. Right, so we can see that Bank Nifty has not broken above 45,100. So we have a so there is a slight possibility that this market can go down, and our premium will hit almost 215 to 220. That is what I'm looking at. So we will see. I'm planning for like 1,600 quantities trade, so 1,800 quantities per trade. So we'll see what's going to happen. We'll see if Bank Nifty breaks this point. If that is broken, then we can go for a blind buy. So that's what I'm looking at. Let's wait for some time, and we'll look for the confirmations, and we'll get into the trade. And also, people have been asking me about my 6 month PNL in the comments. I'm not ready to reveal it any which ways. Like whatever kind of pressure is coming in the comments, I'm not going to reveal it, because I have my own reasons, and also I am posting my day-to-day trades here. And towards the end of this financial year, I will put my PNL of this account or a different account that I'm trading in, which is in my name only. So yeah, guys, if you really want to watch this video, please do. Otherwise, you're free to not watch the video. So yeah, that's it. Any which ways, I'm not gonna reveal my PNL for sure. I mean, my 6 months PNL or 1 year PNL in the near future. But on April 1st, 2024, I'll be revealing my PNL. Maybe 1 year PNL or maybe 2 year PNL. That's all. Right. So looking at Bank Nifty, I feel that we can go for a buy in 45,000 PE of 13th July. We'll go for 900 quantities. Or I'm just thinking if we should go for wait for another 1.5 minutes to get the confirmation. OI also shows the same thing. In the last 15 minutes, there has been good call OI build up in 45,000, and also here it is solid. It is kind of solid. So we can let's just wait for some time, and we'll get into the conclusions. So that's what I am looking forward to. We have bought 900 quantity. We'll be buying 900 quantities. Just wait for like 1 more minute, and we'll plan our trade. I was supposed to get it at 178, but I was not sure about the movement, because if this is broken, then we'll see a further massive upward movement. So we'll just wait for some time, and we'll plan. Yeah, so this is broken. So I'm seeing a solid fall in this. And we'll have to be very careful about the premium as well. So we'll just see. Yes, so we'll go for a buy with 900 quantities here. Yep, bought. So this is our buy price 207.20, which is almost at the top. So we will just wait for some more time. We'll see further correction and we'll plan our trade. So yeah. So I'm solid that this is gonna go below 45,000. So I'm going to add another 900 quantities to this trade. Yep. So we have 1800 quantities in total at 207 and 204, and our average price is 205.90. So yeah, we'll just wait for some time and we'll book our profits accordingly. And I'm looking for a very nominal target today, so we'll see. Banknifty has to fall below 45,000 is what I see. Let's just wait and see what is going to happen. This is how our PNL looks like now. 45,000. There can be a slight pressure when it touches 45,000 because every 1,000 points or 500 points in Banknifty is like super sensitive, and there are chances for Banknifty to take Banknifty to hover around that area. So we'll have to be careful when we plan or look into that. This is how our PNL looks like. We'll just wait for some time. We'll book our profits and get out of the trade. Good. This looks like a solid fall. We'll see what is going to happen. My conviction is right. Cool. This is gonna go. Wow, nice. I think we'll go for we'll book our profits around 50,000 and then we'll get out of the trade is what I believe. Okay, so there can be a slight upward movement from here which can erode our premium, so it's better we get out of our position because I don't want a very big profit. So I'll stick on to maybe like 40 to 50k. That's what I'm looking forward to. So I'll put an exit at 235 for 900 quantities. 235 is the best, I guess. Let's see. Otherwise, we'll modify it. So we have we have opened the orders at 235. We'll see what is going to happen. It's always a test. Whenever I put a proper target, it's always a test. So I think if this is going down, then probably we'll hit a big profit as well. So I think, should I wait or should I just get out of the trade? I was thinking. Yeah, so Banknifty is trying to show some sort of bullishness from this level, but I'm going to hold this trade because any which way this is going to come down, so I can stick to my target. No, this looks a bit sketchy. Maybe this was because of the initial build-ups here and there. Yeah, call is still unwinding, so we need not have to worry. So yeah. That's a small toll on our trade, so we'll just wait for some time. It's not a good move though. So if it's not sustaining above 45,000 means this is gonna come down for sure. This looks like a solid move, so we'll have to plan our trades like that. Now getting back to our target is a bit of a task. Now we are going into a major loss. I feel there are high chances that Banknifty will fall down. I should have booked my targets before, but I was a bit skeptical because I was sure this is going to come down. So let's wait. Yeah, this does not have enough power to go up, so we'll probably see it coming down. After a long wait, seems like Banknifty is coming in our way. So this is our PNL looks like. I think we'll modify our targets from 235 to 230 or 225. Let's just wait because if this is broken, that is if 44971 is broken, then we'll definitely see a movement towards the lower side. So let's just not do anything about the position right now. We'll just wait for some more time, and once we have a good confirmation, we'll modify or we'll think about what to do about the target that we have already put. So yeah. Looks like this is going to consolidate around this range, so it's safer. If this is broken, then we are safe with the target that we have. Otherwise, we'll have to modify the target is what I believe. Cool. Nice. Okay, so we have booked 52,371 rupees today, and I'm sure this is gonna go to 250 also today. But I don't want to risk a big capital, because the capital that we have deployed in this trade was 3,70,000, and we have easily booked 52,371 rupees, which is decent, which is great, and I'm done for the day. So thanks for watching the video, and bye.